Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. We made it. We have another unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Mob Armor. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. And in case you guys want to see what this does, get one for yourself for Christmas. Let's see what they have to offer. So open it up. There we go. Boom. Boom. Whoa. What do we have here? Oh. Mob Pro 90. Magnetic. Dual magnetic mounting system. Oh, okay. For all you vloggers on the road, this would be great for DoorDash, Grubhub drivers, Lyft drivers, Uber drivers. This would be a great thing for you guys to have. Just be careful while driving. Don't want to stare at your phone that much. So this is going to be a sweet little device to have for your ride. RV. No bikes. Not for use. Motorcycles, open cab vehicles. Okay, so Jeeps, trucks, truck drivers. Be a good one for truck drivers to use. Delivery systems. And there we go. Let's take a look. Whoa, there's some powerful stuff. Oh, got all types of goodies flying out of here today. This is the main base. Use it as a weapon too. Whack. Full tilt, I think. Oh yeah, you could tilt. Mount it somewhere. Dang, that's big magnet. Alright. Mob Armor. Armor. Here's the magnetics. We got them. We got the circle. Another one. Same with this one. Circle. Another one. Get the little wipes. So I'm going to go in the car in a minute and hook it up. Clean surface. Easy to do. Apply pressure to disc. So this will have to go first. The disc first. Below 50 degrees, no bound. Let it set overnight. We know you're excited, but be patient. Right there, overnighter. So this is something that's special. And let's see. GPS. App Store, they got the app. So, here's that. Got the wipes. Got the instructions. I think we just need one of these open. I don't think we need the second one. It's always good to have backup though, just in case. So we open these up and nice and easy for cheesy. Then we got the circle. I like the logo, sweet logo. Mob Armor. Got the hole right there. Not sure exactly what that. Whoa, see that? Hey, oh, superpowers. Boom. Oh, yeah. So, oh, strong. So we just put it like that or something? I'll figure this out. I'm gonna go in the car and then give it a good mount somewhere. I want to see how they do it. Oh, okay, so have it tilted like this, kind of. And then put it on your dashboard. Kind of like that. So I'm going to find a nice spot for it in the ride. And mounts to all hard surfaces. Alright. I'm going to grab my stuff too. So we're going to go. Okay, this is. Oh, that's that. Does it stick to. Okay, so that's also. Ooh. So we'll put this down first. I do believe. Oh. Dang. Strong little guy. It's a powerful magnet. So set it up like this. I'm gonna put it down like that. Then put my phone on that. I'm gonna use my backup phone, so I'm gonna have to go grab it. Give me a few minutes, and I'll be in the car. Okay. Alrighty, we're hopping in. Can't use it on that car, but we got this car right here. I'm gonna probably maybe right there mount it. Oh jeez. No, it doesn't like that spot. Where should I mount? Where should I mount you? Maybe down. No, can't. It has to be right here. It kind of. If I put it right there, it might block the vision. The phone. Or I can mount it. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to have it right there in the middle. It's not really blocking anything. So let's see if it holds. I'll be right back. Alrighty, dude, got this out, the swab. I'm going to apply it. Let's see if you guys can see it. Right in here. That's where I'm going to have it mounted. Like I said, 24 hours, let it fully settle. So I'm going to put it right in here. I think this will be a good spot for now. Because I can't really tell too much where it's going to be. But right now for the video, it'll be a good spot right there. Hopefully you guys can see. Alright, just got to take off the backing of the 3M sticky stuff. I'm going to pause you, it'll be a lot easier. Alrighty, this is where I got it right now for temp use. But like I said, you can stick it any hard surface you have on your car. It should look good on this. And now you take this little circle device, the 3M circle, and you're going to put it on your phone. So I'm going to put that on there. Give me 1 sec. Alrighty, it's sticked on pretty good. Mob Armor 8 Plus. Let's see the magic. Whoa. Oh, sweet. Look at that. I'll definitely hold it. This is nice. I'm sure it could handle the bumpy roads in case you go off-roading. Oh, I don't want to show you my stuff, but let me, Google Maps. Let's see if that picks up.
Opening maps.
See, for your Lyft drivers, that'll be sweet. Doing it sideways like that, and in case you want to do full, you can set it up. You know, I got to do all that stuff, but that's what it looks like. I'm really impressed, and it ain't going nowhere. So in case you have a, wife, husband, daughter, son, get a couple of those magnet circles and just put them on their phones, and when they're in their car, you just boom. Sticky. So now I had to hold it while driving, and you can still see, but don't text and drive. That's crazy.
Still, I will always be here for you when you need me.
Oh, thanks. Well, at least somebody is there for me. Alright. You didn't see the password. And that's what it looks like standing up. The glare. Awesome. Really happy. So thank you guys at Mob Armor. Check them out, YouTubers. In case there's any discount codes, the link will be down below. Be safe and have a good day.